pretty crazy on the add-on sale too. And I got a bunch of Spongel. I got the cinnamon and honey, the pumpkin spice, the blackberry one. I got a corksicle thermos or tumbler, 9 hours cold, 3 hours hot. This is not as good as the other one that I had. I ended up looking it up and it was 12 hours cold, 6 hours hot. So for some reason this one is not as good. I don't know why, but it was still a really good price. I got the athleisure liquid wash for liquid. It's a natural like laundry. I got the Beauty Blender cleanser. Look how humongous this is. This is the size of my face. And I got this little cute mini beauty blender, beauty blusher for blush. I got both scents in the routine natural deodorant because the reviews were so good on these, and I'm always looking for aluminum-free deodorants. This one says if you like pina coladas and eating cake, so I hope that means it smells like pineapple and coconut. It didn't really say if there was a scent on there, so oh. It definitely smells like nuts, like kind of like almonds. There's that. I got the Core's Wild Rose Vitamin C Active Brightening Oil. This is one of the items that I thought had some of the best ingredients. And also, isn't that so pretty? It has these little like flowers in it. I got a Sip by Swell. This is quite possibly my favorite water bottle to take to the gym because it's small. I got the APTO Skincare Blue Spirulina Mask, and so in my summer edit sale, I also got something from APTO because I ended up getting an editor's box, so look out for that video because I'm probably posting this video first, and I'll post that video on Sunday. I got these multivitamin Vitamasks. I've heard really good things about these, so I'm excited. Well, I've heard good things about Vitamasks, the company, so I'm hoping that was a good one to choose. I got the little sugars that were different like flavors. Vanilla pumpkin spice, duh, 'cause fall. Caramel apple, that sounds so good. And spicy chocolate cinnamon.